is for auto-rickshaw, auto-rickshaw, auto-rickshaw zipping through the streets. B is for boat, 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 floating on the water. C is for cruise ship, cruise ship, big and full of fun. D is for delivery van, delivery van, bringing boxes to your door. E is for excursion train, excursion train, rolling through the hills. F is for forklift, forklift, lifting heavy things. G is for golf cart, golf cart, riding on the green. H is for hot air balloon, hot air balloon, floating in the sky. I is for ice resurfacer, ice resurfacer, making ice smooth. J is for jet ski, jet ski, racing on the waves. K is for cart, zooming on the track. L is for limo, limo, long and fancy ride. M is for monorail, monorail, gliding up so smooth. N is for narrow boat, narrow boat, sailing down the canal. O is for oil rig truck, oil rig truck, carrying oil safe. P is for pedal car, pedal car, powered by your feet. Q is for quarry truck, quarry truck, hauling rocks so big. R is for rowboat, rowboat, paddling nice and slow. S for segway, segway, gliding left and right. T is for taxi, taxi, taking you around town. U is for utility truck, utility truck, fixing lines and lights. V is for Volvo bus, comfy and cool ride. W is for wheel loader, wheel loader, scooping dirt with ease. X is for X-bike, riding with a sporty speed. Y is for yard tractor, yard tractor, pulling trailer slow. Z is for Zorb Ball Ride, Zorb Ball Ride, rolling down the hill. Now you've learned your